Model, 2016 Ford Transit Connect Spare OR Repairs Bargain Aircon. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 140003. MOT, 30 March 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400